Assalamu alaikum, hello all, namaskara, welcome back to my channel ENQ Rides 53. Naveed here. So today I'm on an impromptu ride to a place called Baradi Betta, as you would have seen on the thumbnail. So it's just me and DJ who are going on this ride. It's just 40 to 45 kilometers from my place. So we just thought we'll go for a sunset ride for a change. Past couple of weeks I've been really busy, so not able to plan a ride. So we thought we'll head for a sunset ride. Had to make time for this. Hopefully we have a good ride. And one more thing is, I'm not wearing any riding gear today because except the gloves. I know this is not recommended and I would not recommend this to anyone, but I had to do it because it's too hot today and I was not in a position to wear the riding gear. As it was a short ride, I thought, okay, let me be more careful and ride this time. So I'll be meeting DJ near Hebal. So I think he's already there, and I can see as usual a long traffic jam here. I hope it's just the buses. Okay, anyways, we'll take the service route. So not sure of this place. DJ called me this morning and said it's a good place and we have good sunsets over there, sunset view. So I didn't even check the place. I thought it's Sunday afternoon, there'll be no traffic, so sunset ride would be a good option. But this Bangalore traffic, there's no exception for this. There's no exception. I think this will be the same till Hebal. Thank God I didn't wear any riding gear. After a lot of struggle, we've reached Hebal. DJ is waiting somewhere over here. So DJ is right behind the bus. I couldn't take a left over there. Let me go say hi to him. DJ! Hold on. Hey! Abba. So we had to go through Nelmangalore toll, but there's a lot of traffic. I'm pretty sure Gurundepalya signal will be jammed up. So rather than wasting time, we took this Bell Road. So from Bell Road, we'll be going to Hesarghata. ಸರಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ರೋಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಜೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋದಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಔಟರ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಹೈವೇಯಿಂದ. ಹಾಂ. We are going to Baradi Betta via Hesarghata main road. So this is Hesarghata main road. So here, if you take a left, no, the ahead is Soldevanalli. From if you take left from Soldevanalli, you will reach Acharya Institute of Technology. That is where I completed my engineering. So if we head straight, we'll go to Hesarghata, and from Hesarghata we'll take the route to Baradi Betta. So this is Soldevanalli police station. ಇದೆ ರೀ ರೋಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಜೈಲಿ. ಯಾ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಸರುಘಟ್ಟ ತನಕನೂ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಇದೇ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ನಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ? ಹಾಂ, 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮೂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಹಂಪೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಂ, ಸರ್ ನಾ Okay, so we have taken a left and again a right, took a underpass, and now we are heading straight. We are just following the map. So we are around just 5 kilometers away from Baradi Betta. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಾಂ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಅಪ್ಪೋ ಹಂಪಲ್ ಎಗ್ರದ ಹೀರೋ. ಹಾಂ, ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೋಡ್. ಈ ರೋಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ವಾ, ಗೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಥ್ರೋನ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಬೈರೇಶೆಟ್ಟಿಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಇವನು, ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಇವನು. ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿನಾಕ್? ಕೇಳಿ. ಇದೇನಾ? ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this is the road to Baradi Betta. It's a cement road. So if you don't want to do any off-roading, then this is the road to take. There's a lake here. I know, 1.4 kilometer. ಇಷ್ಟನಾ? ಹೋಗಿ 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 ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹರೀಶ್? ಓ ಓ ಸೂಪರ್. ಸೂಪರ್. पतन में सुइयां सुइयां सुई सुइयां सुइयां सुई अब तो लगा है. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಯಿಂದ. ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಹುಷಾರು. So this is Baradi Betta. Looks amazing. We have a Thar, Fortuner and many vehicles. We'll watch, we'll witness, we'll see the sunset and then we'll start from here. I think it'll take around 1 hour to reach home. So by 6:37 we'll be home. Yeah. Beautiful sunset happening at Baradi Betta. This is why we came for. Unfortunately there are clouds, so we couldn't witness the whole sunset. Next time, there's always a next time. But if you want to enjoy beautiful sunset and spend some good time, you can come over here. People are here, there's so many people. And our TRK DJ there. There's a temple as well. So we are done with Baradi Betta. The place is really good and we spent around 1.5 hours here. There's supposed to be a sunset, a long sunset, but we have clouds. It's covered with clouds everywhere, so that's why we could not witness much of it. But the place is really good. If you come in peak summers, you can witness a long sunset till around 6:50. Yeah, by till now, as we say Maghrib, so we can witness sunset till Maghrib. So we are starting now. Our time is 6:50. So now we'll stop somewhere for some coffee or juice. I'm thirsty as hell. So starting now. So DJ is leaving. I'll follow him. Yeah. So ಸಾರಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಡಿಜೆ ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಲೋ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಗೊಳ್ಳಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ನಾವು. We just got down from the Baradi Betta. We are on Goldalli main road. So the reason why we took this road is you have one more route. Actually, you can come via Nelmangla. You can take the Gurgunde flyover, cross the Nelmangla toll and exit from the highway and take a right from there. But the problem is the traffic. You don't get the peaceful peace vibe over there. So this road, it's all village roads, as you saw while coming. So that is the reason why I suggested DJ. Maybe it takes around 10-15 minutes extra, but at least you can come with a good peace of mind. So that is the only reason. Oh, ಹುಷಾರು. ಎಂಥ ಎಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವನು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So stopped here for short break in Srikatta. Was just damn thirsty, so we are just having egg puff and a puff, and DJ is having a fruity, and I'll be having this happy fizz. Usually I don't have this because today I'm damn hungry, thirsty. So we'll have this and head back to Bangalore. So now on the outer ring road, DJ left because he goes to RT Nagar, so he took a deviation there. So I'll be heading to Hebbal. After Hebbal, Virannapalya, then Manyata Tech Park, and then HBR. Then from there I'll take a right deviation. So around if there is no traffic in Hebbal, then it will take around 10-15 minutes. If there is traffic, then it will take around half hour. Let's see. I'll close the vlog here. So if you like this video, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a short. Oh, he was too close. So I'm sure this is going to be a very short vlog for 9 to 10, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and share it among your friends. And thanks to all of you. I'm almost 1500. I've almost reached 1500k subscribers. Thanks to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. And as I said, if you like this video, please do like, comment and share the video. And thank you for your support, and thanks for spending your valuable time watching my videos. So I'll end the vlog here. See you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.